in multiplying integers, for example, if you have positive times positive, the answer is positive. Negative times negative is equal to positive. Positive times negative is equal to negative, and negative times positive is equal to negative. In short, it's easy to remember that if you are multiplying the same sign, the answer is always positive. While if you are multiplying different sign, the answer is always negative. So for example, if you have positive 5 times positive 7, the answer is positive 35. Take note that if there's no sign written, it is understood to be positive. So another one, if you have negative 6 times negative 4, the answer is equal to 24. While positive 3 times negative 5, so positive times negative, the answer is negative 15. And last, negative 4 times positive 9. So when you are multiplying negative times positive, the answer is negative 36. Okay? So that's all. Bye.